are the Nulls. I will be making one larger Null, the white Null. The Nulls are an alien robotic species that were found in various parts of the world and fell from portals from the void. Null Blue was found in and flying around the Pacific Ocean, as well as traveling basically through to any ocean it could. It was just found at Pacific Ocean. It is more of a support role with its dual miniguns and heavy cannon. Well, not super heavy, but a heavy cannon, and its wings adjust. I'll explain more about him in his own video. Next is Null Purple. Null Purple was found in the desert and is very similar to a raptor, except it lacks arms. It is a bit more rugged and doesn't have any form of ranged attack. But it is extremely fast. I'll tell you more about it in its own video. And this is Null Red. Null Red was found in a rainforest. It is more serpent-like, except with front legs, and it has the ability to glide or hover by climbing trees using its serpentine tail and jumping off with jet thrusters in here, 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 and here to help support it. I'll tell you more about it in its own video. And Null Green. In my opinion, this is the most interesting one. It has features that none of the other Nulls have, while the other Nulls are smoother and have smooth accented parts. This one is a bit more rocky, bulkier. Null Green was found underground in a cavern. It looks kind of like an ancient sloth that would live underground, digging its homes and digging caves. It's got large front claws and a bulky body. It has a special... its head is the second smallest, but looks the bulkiest. Almost like a bear head. And then I reveal that it's just armor. No, it's not just armor. If it was, that'd be hilarious. It is the largest of the Nulls so far, but Null White might end up being the generator Null. I'll tell you more about it later. That's all for now. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and the next videos will be about the 4 Nulls.